How long is this going to take?
Look, just behave yourself, okay? This is a works party.
Gary! How you doing, buddy? Glad you could make it. Come in. Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Doing all the wild ones in there. Oh, Gaza, Gaza, Gaza! Oi, oi, oi! A cat and a rooster. All in the same shed at the same time. You couldn't. I know, you couldn't make it out. Gary, you were there, right?
Yeah, I was there. Oh my God, it was
Gary,
so...
tell them about
film it?
What about the lead?
Oh, we should have filmed it, to be honest. It's so hard to explain.
Drinks.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Excuse me, basically.
So cute.
Thank you. Good job.
Oh, wow, that is...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, young man. Oh, bad sport. Oh. Everyone good? Yeah. I was going to cry there. A little bit. I don't know if he's ever dropped a glass before, but at least we got them in time, though, right? Imagine that. That would have been disaster.
Oh my God.
Disaster averted.
I've ruined the car.
Imagine that. Well, I mean, it's during replace, but thanks for pointing it out, Sam.
Help us financially. Help us financially. The link is under the video. The link is under the video.
Let's get up here, guys. Where they've gone? Danny? Danny? Hello? What's going on?
Are we playing hide and seek?
Oh my God! Sorry, Gary.
Always Gary, eh?
Should we go and get a drink? Let's go get a drink. Quick.